Hey guys, I have a quick video about how you can promote hair growth if you are losing your hair due to age or hormones. So I'm somebody that has overplucked my eyebrows throughout the years, and now that I'm ready to reshape them, I'm tired of using my eyebrow pencil. I went and I talked to a couple of people in the hair industry, and I asked them what are some natural ways that I can promote hair growth in the certain parts of my eyebrows. So basically, I need to grow in this part in order to make it more of the shape that I used to have. And they gave me two really great cheap solutions. We all know that if you go to the high-priced department stores, there are little serums that you can buy, and they're in the $50 to $60 range. I was even looking at one from one of the brow experts, and I was considering it because truly I'm sick and tired of the brow pencil. And before I plugged in on that amount of money, I decided to try to look at a more natural route. And so the very first thing that I purchased, as per the recommendation that I was given from these two women that I spoke to, was castor oil. So castor oil is something that has been known to promote hair growth, and you can use this not only on your eyebrows but on your whole head. So if you're in the shower, after you shower, after you give yourself a good shampoo, you actually can just pour it on your head, massage it into your scalp, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then rinse. The castor oil massaged into your scalp is supposed to promote hair growth. I ended up buying two 16 fluid ounces, the same size. Two of them came in the package, and I can't remember, it was somewhere around $8 to $10 for two of these. Now, if you realize, I can really do my full head with less than a quarter of a cup each time I'm in the shower. So this is something that I'm going to do. I don't necessarily need to have thicker hair. I definitely have a lot of hair, but it's for healthier, fuller hair, and why wouldn't you do this anyway? So while I'm working on my eyebrows, I'm actually also going to work on my scalp as well. The second tip that I got was actually from the woman that waxes my eyebrows. I started going to a new woman, and she was very like Eastern medicine. She was definitely, she was from another country, and I was listening to everything that she said because she said this works. When I want to promote hair growth in this section, she said all you have to do is scratch it once a day, like give it a rub once a day with your nail, like scratch the skin lightly. You're not trying to hurt yourself. Scratch the skin lightly to promote like blood and energy and all of that to this area. So you're basically like awakening this area over here. So she said scratch this area when you get out of the shower and the pores are open. Give it some scratches, show it some love basically. And she said, and then take a little bit of lemon juice and put it on, make sure it doesn't get in your eyes obviously, but just dab a little bit of lemon juice into the where you've sort of touched upon your skin cells and open them up. Get a little bit of lemon in there and do that every day. So I haven't done that every day, I have to be really honest with you, but she told me she has helped hundreds of women with this tip. So I was like, what? And she said, yeah, all you need is your fingernails and a little bit of lemon. She goes, you don't need to buy anything. You have lemon in your house. You have your fingernails. Obviously, all you need to do is a couple of minutes a day after your shower. Give yourself 1 or 2 minutes, a little bit of scratch, and it will stimulate growth. So that had me thinking about, people who are thinning out on the top of their hair. Maybe this is something you guys want to consider as well. You want to stimulate growth. So if you are, you're thinning out in a particular area, stimulate it, massage it, show it some love, and then consider either the lemon or the castor oil. Personally, I'm going to try both. I bought both. I'll report back on what these findings are, but I'm telling you, the people that I spoke to about this are believers in this because they have personally used it, they have witnessed it, and I just wanted to share it because I know as women, we feel best when our hair is working to our advantage, right? If we're having a bad hair day, it really truly reflects and affects our mood throughout the day. And while we don't try to be superficial like that, there is a real truth in that. If I'm walking out of the house and I have dirty hair and my root is 2 inches long and I'm in a ponytail, I'm not feeling my best self. And so I think that if people are, losing their hair, they must also not feel their best self. And so I just wanted to put this video out there to see if maybe even this little bit of information could help you guys, because I just think that's what YouTube is all about. So I hope everyone has a good day. Subscribe on my video, like this video if you'd like to hear more. And I think there's a bell that we have to worry about now. I'm just getting back into YouTube, so I'm not all up on this, but I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.